Good morning, everybody. Okay, so I know I'm a little late to the game with this company, but I bought this last year, and all I did was look in it to see that the canvas and the diamonds are there, and I wanted to give you a break from the cross-stitching stuff and take a look at a diamond painting company, and if they look good, then maybe it'll bring attention back to them for those people who haven't thought about them in a while. I am not sponsored. I am not paid. This was not provided to me. I paid for this. I don't have things sent to me anymore because I've been gone for a while. So, I'm going to take this lid off. A lot of you may recognize the little pink tube. And this is what I bought. You guys know me and canines. Oh, I hate that it's all bubbled. Anyway, couldn't get a wolf that I liked, so got the Foxy. Okay, so let's take a look here. Please excuse all the cross-stitching sitting there. It's just what I'm focusing on right now because in November and December I did so many diamond paintings. I just can't face diamond paintings right now. I just can't. So, here we have diamonds already pre-bagged, which I'm super happy about. And it appears we have 41 colors, and I see an AB right on the top. Look at the colors, they're gorgeous. Ooh, we have teal. Yes. You guys know me in purple and teal. It's my thing. I don't see any purple, but that's okay. That's okay, we got a teal. Alright, so let's open up our canvas and take a look. While I try to keep a grandchild silent, which is not the easiest thing. Now, this is not too big, thank goodness. Thank goodness it's not as big as I thought, because it doesn't say it on the outside. So, this is, it says a 20 by 20. My behind, oh, inches. I was like, that's not a 20 by 20 centimeter under any circumstances. So this comes from Craftibly, you guys. Just what I thought, but I wanted to make sure before I said it. Okay, sorry if you hear barking or growling. There are, as you know, many puppies in there. There is their customer service information for you. And this is their information. I wanted to make sure you guys have that in case we like them. They seem to have a nice guarantee. We will see. We will see. We will see. Alright, so let's see how many colors we've got, guys. We have 41 colors. Oh, it's so pretty. My goodness. It's a lot of blue, which works for me. And look at that fox. The face, you can see the detail in person, not just on the camera. So I think this is going to come up beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. And I'm going to enjoy working on it. In fact, this may be the diamond painting that gets me to sit down and alternate a little diamond painting in there. We will see. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Well, sort of. So, I will say, this is a square. I really love square diamonds. For some odd reason, I'm backwards and I'm faster at squares than I am at rounds. Probably because I can place them more precisely. They look to be nice and flat in every color. The quality is gorgeous. I do not want to take all these out, folks. I just don't. Because that would not be fun trying to get it back in there, let me say. Okay, let's see what we have. As far as the key, we do have 310. We have 5 ABs. Very nice. Very nice. I think this is going to be very pretty. I know this is a short unboxing, but I just wanted to kind of bring this on and show you what I had gotten from them, because I think it's so beautiful. So beautiful. So, I know that I had told all of you that I would be doing 2 videos a month, but so far we're doing 1 a week. And as long as my body can hold up to that, we will continue to do exactly that. So let's hope that that continues. Now, I really want put this away real quick. And since I did not need enough more time than I did, because it just looks so good. I mean, well, let me show you. The symbols are so clear. So clear. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really impressed with the quality of the canvas and the symbols. And I'm not the easiest person to impress, folks. I'm really not, because I've done so many for so long that it's not easy to impress me with all of this. I happen to be one of the harder ones to impress. And that's a good thing for you guys. It's a good thing for you guys. So, let me get this back in here since it's a quick, easy process. And see if I can find what I'm looking for really quick. I'm going to pause you all for a moment. Okay, so since that was short, I'm going to include the last cross stitch that I purchased from tapestry.com. Tapestrymarket.com, I'm sorry. Now, I did move this over to a bag because filming these has not been easy. But we have our normal toolkit, which I hope you can see well. We have the ring thimble, needle threader, container with needles, which appears to be 5 needles. Yes. So we have that for a toolkit. Excuse me. This is the image, and I'm doing this for a friend of mine. I'm not a cat person, but she is. So, look at that. I thought, well, if I have to do a cat, I like that it's colorful in colors I like, and we can be, you know, have a little fun with it. Have a little fun. So let's see what our pattern looks like as far as quality. Because I don't remember any of that. Okay, good. I did fold that way. Okay. So we have 38 colors. Good amount of colors. This one could have done more, but I think it'll be okay like this. The pattern is really clear, you guys. Really clear. It's beautifully clear. So I'm very pleased with that. It's got some confetti. Not crazy confetti, but it's got some confetti. But, you know, when you're dealing with confetti, you end up with some beautiful pieces typically. Now this is a 40 by 54 centimeter. So 148 stitches wide by 208 high. So it's not a little piece, that's for sure. Not a little piece. This is a good medium size diamond painting if it were diamond painting, but it's a pretty good size stitch. I wouldn't call it a gigantic one, but I would call this a large stitch. So, but that is my personal way of seeing it. And let's take a look at the canvas, or in this case, cloth. I call them canvas so often because they're so stiff. Now these are pre-printed. Oh, this one's just a medium. Okay, it's just a medium. This is 11 count, because that's the only way that this came. Otherwise, I probably would have chosen 14. It would have been smaller, but it's good that it's an 11 for my friend. So, yeah, it looks really good, you guys. The symbols are nice and clear. As you can see, I'm sorry you're seeing the lamp in the frame, but that's going to be what it is. I see very clear symbols. I hope that you can see that as well. Like I said, there's some confetti, but it's not crazy, eat you alive confetti, which is a good thing. So let's take a look at our colors. We do not have 310 in this. Yay! Again, it's on those doggone thread drops, which I thought would be nice. They're not. They're not nice to deal with in the overall. They're really not. So we have this, look at this, this lovely bright greens and blues and muted, and we have teals and a little bit of gray. We have, I think that's, yep. Let me check. Yep, it's $9.39 in there. But we have some purple, which is my friend's favorite color. So we have a couple of purples in there. We have a little bit of pink. That's going to be absolutely gorgeous. There's some turquoise. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Nice array of blues, greens, a little purple, a little pink. We should be good. This one should be very nice. And it should stitch up rather quickly. Thank goodness there's not too much solid block stitching, because that can become very, very, very boring and tedious to do. Let me tell you, this can get very boring. I don't know if you can tell it's Kitty. Yeah, you can. On camera, you can tell it's Kitty. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to film, you guys, is going to be probably a stitch with me. And when my back heals a little bit from the water flooding disaster we've had from our freezer. Big mess. I'll explain in a stitch with me. Then I can let my back recover, and then I can do some diamond painting. Right now, I can't sit up like that, guys. I just can't. I'm kind of leaning back in bed to stitch, and even that's limited. So, my thoughts and prayers are with all of you. I hope you have a wonderful, awesome, amazing weekend. God bless you all. I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.